In the challenging journey of life, I've learned that effort is never enough. Sometimes, these hands have worn out from long hours of hard work, but it's a sign of patience and determination. Life isn't always smooth sailing. I've faced failures, been knocked down, but I've never given up. Each time I confront a challenge, I feel the inner strength. Even when my hands ache, my spirit remains steadfast. Effort isn't just about overcoming difficulties. It's also about constantly improving oneself. I set goals and strive to achieve them. Whether they are small steps or lofty ambitions, I give it my all. Nothing can replace effort and perseverance. It's something I believe in and apply daily. Despite moments of exhaustion and frustration, determination remains the guiding light for me. My journey is far from over, with many trials and tribulations ahead. But I believe that with effort and determination, I can overcome every obstacle and achieve my goals. These hands may wear out, but the spirit is always ready to fight.